Hello and welcome to OMC Ford here in Oldham. Here we have the Ford Fiesta ST line. This car comes obviously in Desert Island Blue, beautiful colour, and it has 22,751 miles on the clock. Now the car has been through a 160-point mechanical inspection, just for your peace of mind. It comes with some great features. Just to name a few, it has the 17-inch grey alloys. It has the push-button start, rear parking sensors, privacy glass. It's fitted with satellite navigation and Bluetooth, cruise control. It has a USB port to obviously link your Android or Apple phones and take all your information and data with you on any journey. Now, if you think that this could be the car for you, for only £99 you can reserve the car, subject to view and test drive. We would love to hear from you, so if you'd like to please give us a quick call on 0161 287 4141. Alternatively, you can visit our website, where you will also find a finance calculator. You can put a test drive on there or request a personalized video highlighting the features you would like to see more of. So we hope you enjoy this short video and look forward to hearing from you very soon. Thank you.